Hey YouTube, it has been a long time since I was last here. I think like a year. And here I am looking crazy and a whole different it's been a lot. Um, but my life has changed. As you can see, we have a new member. Say hi. This is baby J. He's serious. um, but I guess I'm gonna be doing a lot more of vlogs. My direction has changed a lot since my last video. Um, I am getting closer and closer to God, so my life looks different. And I would like to take you guys on my journey. Currently in the house, it's Sunday. Um, Husband and kids are not in town, they've traveled. So I have a couple of things that I'm going to be doing today, and I guess I will just take you guys along and we can chat and catch up on where I've been. Okay, I'm back. I had to put the baby to sleep. But yeah, so a lot has changed since the last time I saw you guys. So my last video I made, I believe, was my kitchen makeover. So what prompted me to come back here? A couple of weeks ago, I think it was maybe a couple of months ago, I was in church and one of my church brothers shared a story that I don't remember if he said if it was a dream or if it was something, I don't remember, but the context of it was he was talking to a young man, and the young man shared with him that he had a dream or a vision that it was the end of the world, and he was on a line. So he was on a line on his way to the gate of heaven, and there was another line of a couple of people going in a different direction. And the man, as he was walking towards the gate of heaven, he saw friends, co-workers, neighbors, and as he's walking, they said to him, "Oh, I wish you would have told me about him," like just shaking their head. And he felt so guilty because here he was, he knew everything about God, and he kept it to himself and didn't share with his neighbors and friends and people that he loved. So when he shared that message, it touched my heart because I feel like I'm also in that same boat where I know a lot about God. I believe in him. I practice I I practice his preachings, and I follow Jesus, long story short, and I don't feel like I share it enough with others. So one of the reasons why I'm back on here is I just want to show you guys unfiltered what my life looks like in my walk with Christ, my everyday life with my family, my kids, our struggles, things that our decision making. I'm starting to see that a lot of people, like it within my age group, also, I shouldn't say that they're lost, but we are all looking for answers. I'm not saying I have all the answers. I'm just saying I know who does. So with that being said, I am back on YouTube. I'm not gonna promise being consistent because I do work full time. I have a new baby. I have a husband. I have kids. I have a lot going on. So whenever I can, I will make it my business to pick up the camera and vlog, and take you guys with me. Sorry for my rawness. But if I didn't do this video right now, it was not gonna get done because I have other things to do. And I was going back and forth in my head like, oh, maybe I should get dressed, I should look presentable, I should do this, I should do that before I come on the camera. So in order for all of that to get done, this video will not happen. So here I am, raw, unfiltered. This is what you guys are gonna get. I'm sorry, this is what it is. This is my life. But yeah, so I am gonna take you guys with me on my real life journey with my walk with Christ. So real life vlogs, me and my family. My husband keeps texting me. Me and my family, my kids. So let me know, you know, if there are any other believers out there watching this video, let's do our walk together. Let's help each other out. What I've noticed is that we as humans, we need each other. We cannot do this thing called life on our own. As much as we can try and say we can do this, do that, we can't. We need each other. And I believe in it. I promote it. I encourage it. And so, yeah. Until next time, I don't know when I'll be back, but I will catch you guys later. Bye.